Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will show you that how you can update the firmware version 1.8 into your SJCAM. So for this I want to tell you one thing, that there is a new update version 1.8 is available, so you can download the download link is available in the description below this video. So now first of all I will tell you that how you can check your version. So for this I have to click on this button, menu button. This one is the menu button, you will click again. Okay guys, go to the menu and go to the setup, click OK, go there in the version, and now you can see right now I have version 1.6. so now I will tell you how you can change it to 1.8, version 1.8, the latest firmware by SJCAM. For this, first step you have to do is to power off your camera. Okay, now it's off. Now then you have to remove your battery. Okay, removed, and then take off your SD card. Ouch, here is the SD card. Okay, now guys, I connect my SD card into my laptop, and here it's, you can see its properties like this. So I wanna do format it. Go here. Okay, now I will do format here. Remember that you have to do FAT32 format. Okay, quick format, and then start. Okay, it will error saw the data. Now format completed, click OK, close this. Now here is the download file that I download from the website. Now I will do extract to SJ1.2, 1.8. okay, this one. Now here I will copy this bin file. You can see here it's a bin file. I will copy this bin file and put into my memory card. So here now it's copied. Refresh again and close. Now guys, I have the memory card in which I put the file. Okay, I will take out the memory card from the holder and insert into my camera. Not like this, it will go like this. Click, pressed. Okay, now insert the battery like this, but remember, do not wait. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, it's like this. Okay, but remember, do not power on the camera. Okay, do not power on the camera, but take out the charger, Okay guys, connect the cable, charger, connect the charger. Okay, and then wait for a few seconds. And remove your cable. Okay, so now you can see the lights. Actually it's updating the firmware. Okay, so you can wait. Okay, let's boot. Okay, now I didn't on this. First I will remove the battery back and take out my memory card again and insert here like this, and want to format it again. You can see here, you can see the files still in the memory card, so I will go like this and format the same default format, Windows 32 format, like this here, and do the format. Okay, I got the message. Okay, close this. So here is my memory card. After format, take out my memory card, insert to my camera like this, insert the battery. Yes, now I will on it. Okay, press this button. Okay. Okay, now press the menu button again one more time. You are in the menu and setup, click and go there. If you go to the version, you can see the new version 1.8. Okay, so if you want to see some changes, we will see if there is anything new in that. I don't think so. It's everything is same. Yes, resolution, we will see that. Okay, okay, here TV out. So most of things are the same. So I will show you again the version. Okay. See, it's 1.8 and release date is May 22, 2017. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video.